In this video, we will demonstrate our CNC milling capabilities. Our workshops possess a range of 3, 4 or 5-axis industrial-grade CNC milling machines, made by reputable brands from USA, Germany, Japan, Taiwan, and China. Our machines use sophisticated automatic jigs that offer high precision and efficiency. The high-quality CNC machining centers we use ensure high accuracy and speed. We offer CNC milling service on aluminum, steel, iron, bronze and many other materials. The entire process is closely monitored by our CNC specialists to ensure product quality. Thank you for watching. Check out other casting processes on our channel.